Hello and welcome back today for National. Last week we had only 22. The plan that showed us 22 winning 71 machine. That was exactly how it played it. But let me start by saying this is our official video recording after Fortune Thursday. Let me start by saying congratulations on Fortune Thursday. Free Banker 19 dropped, played with 41. Live 2 direct dropped live. If you're one of the lucky winners on that one, this is the first video you're seeing after that. Congratulations to you. The reward line is displaying on the screen now. The one displaying right now, it's the Ghana Momo up. Below it is my direct Nigeria account. Now, you see after the Ghana Momo up on the second side, this is for everybody that has been complaining that they cannot get funds across to me from Ivory Coast. This one displaying on the screen now, actually you see is the only one displaying on the screen now, is for Ivory Coast. So if you are from Ivory Coast and you want to reward, this is the reward line to send to. And if you're from Ghana, this one displaying now is the one to send to. If you're sending from Nigeria, this one displaying now is the one to send to. That being said, guys, let's go into this very serious business. But you know what you're going to do for this channel for us to be able to post video, because I have something serious for us that tomorrow. Like this video for me and comment. That's all I need right now. Let's go straight onto this one. Let me start by previewing it like this. Single one lap 10 in second ball machine. In second ball winning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down. Bonus banker double 8. First time here. Second time, single one lap 10 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down. 88 bonus banker. On the current, national currently, single one lap 10 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today is the 10th week. Bonus banker is double 8. Now, let's go on the third time. Now, let us take it this way again on National's own board. National board here, setting this lapping for us. The counting weeks complete here. I've counted it. I don't want to take it 2 times. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is showing 16, 8 weeks down. National second time setting it said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is showing 61. 61 is both the turning or the counterpart of 16, 8 weeks down. Let's check it here on National. Single one lap 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down. 61 actually played. He even played with 39 close. Second time on National, he played with 39 close. Now, after 61, last week, after 61, 22 constant number. This one said it will play with 17. On this one, it also said after this game, 16, it used 16. 22 will serve as a free banker play with 71. Now check it out on the current. This one too said after 61, 22 will play in winning. Said it will play with 71. This is showing 22 and 71. They are both showing turning numbers. Remember, it used that one first. Now, this time around, it used this one. Now, after 22 on board, let's take it as a regular counting on board. After 22, it's showing us again banker 36. This as well is showing us here as well. It said after 22, banker 36. So this has also dropped 22. We should expect banker 36. Now, not just single one. This one that, not just 36, this one that kept 17, turned single one, played it close with 36. This one that played 71, used single one, play it close with 36. Now for double 8, this countered double 8. This played 43. That will be the third time. The third time countered double 8. But why am I going for this one? Because this is actually a working plan. And it has been working. We are only fortunate to see another place that is going to reveal this to us. This started from 50-44 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down. Single one to maintain position. 10 to lap it. On Nationals board again, second time, current 44-50. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single one in position. Following week, it will lap it. Now, this one here says the moment it sets this lapping, tend to repeat. This as well said when it sets this lapping, tend to repeat. Now, if you observe it on this one did not show us 10 to repeat at all. So it's giving this one more power. And if you check it after 10 repeats here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down, 16 in center ball position, 5 weeks down. After 10 repeats on this one too, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down, see 16 in position. This is more detailed. We've only been fortunate to see something to expose it for us. Now, if you observe this, it's showing us 3 numbers. 88, single one, 36, direct. This is showing us 43, 10, 36. But I'll be going for this super 3 and single one. Let's go treat another plan showing us single one. Another working plan. This one also showed us 22 last week. I told you we have 22-17 on both places and it played 22-71. This one that still showed us 22, you remember those two places showed 22 and it's still showing us single one again today. Plus, not just single one, it is also showing us 36. Single one and 36 happens to be going on this one too. Let's treat it. Starting with 35 in last ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 85 will play second ball machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 89 will play fourth ball machine. 1, 2, 3. 90 will play last ball machine. On the board, second time, walking down, 35 in position, 1 2 3 4 5, 89 will maintain position, second ball machine, 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 85 will maintain position, second ball machine, 5 weeks down again, 89 will maintain position, 1 2 3 90 to play last ball winning last ball machine here as well. After 90 maintain position here, we are counting from this place going up on this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 weeks up from 90 in position. 80 will maintain center ball machine again, 9 weeks up from 90 in position. And on this one as well, we're counting it down from position 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 weeks down. 80 is going to maintain center ball machine. After 80 maintain position 1 2 3 weeks down, 39 will play last ball machine. On this as well, after this one 1 2 3 weeks, 39 to play in position. Now after 39 maintain position 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 48 to play last ball winning. From 39 in position, 8 weeks down, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 weeks down, 48 to maintain position. After 48 maintain position, 1 2 3 4 5, 81 will play this position football machine. After 48 plays in winning, 1 2 3 4 5 weeks up, this game will maintain position, that is 81. After 81 maintain position, the following week 15 will play center ball winning, play against 64. After 81 in position, 15 will maintain position, play with 64. Now when these two games play, the following 3 weeks up, 1 2 3, 90 in position here to move to position, lap 87. Now after 15 find its way to center ball here, 1 2 3 weeks down, 90 in position. It should find its way to from position, it should move to position. It should move from last ball machine to first ball machine, lap 89. Now after it laps 89, 87 in position. Last week 87 in position supplied us with 22. This same 87 supplied us with 22, coupled with the fact that we have it again on that plan I showed you, 22 only, and this one too played the 22. Now today we are on this event, and what is this showing us? 15 in position. Check out this single one first. What is supplying us single one? 89 in position will supply us that single one again today. This 89 in position, it will supply us single one today. 39 in position, 39, this 39 is going to supply us with 60. 15 would also supply 60. That is, for the advantage of subscribers that their charts are not closed by or probably on transit, 39 will supply us 60. At the same time, 15 in position again will still supply us 60. So I'll be taking out 60 and single one on this. This is a very powerful event to watch out for as well. But my numbers on the channel, it's a maximum of 5. Now, where am I picking the third number from? You see, let us be lotto smart. If you observe this play, when 87 played in position, he played with 80. 80 is one of the games we have on this event. It said 80 should jump. You just have to be lotto smart. Now, after 87, when 87 played, he played with 80. On this one as well, check it out. When 87 played, he played with 80, and 80 played in winning. Now, after 87, 80 played, 80 jumped. The next game is telling us 39. The next game on this one now is 39. When 22 also played in winning, the number on this one, that is actually one of the numbers we are treating here as well, jumped again. 39 play with 22, just like this one. It also played it with 39. Now, if you observe, the number on this one again is 90, and 90 is still one of the numbers in position here. The next number is 90 and is playing them in machine. That is why I'll be having Mr. 90 to complete my prediction. So thank you for coming to watch this video. Don't forget to put in the comment section what your own opinion on this study is. Please don't forget to put it in the comment section. If you have something different or have omitted something, please show it to me in the comment section. If you find value in this content and you want me to post tomorrow, like this video for me and subscribe. If you've not rewarded me on Fortunes to Direct and you want to do, displaying on the screen is the account to credit with the name of each country in front of it. Thank you for coming to watch this video. I wish us good luck. My VIP member, I'm still coming back with one other strong banker. We'll see you on the WhatsApp side.